Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, and the main wireless LAN antenna bracket assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the auxiliary antenna cable from the wireless LAN board. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN board to the rear cover. The board will release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN board by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless LAN board with the key in the wireless LAN board slot on the motherboard. Gently insert the wireless LAN board into its slot on the motherboard. Replace the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN board to the rear cover. Reconnect the auxiliary antenna cable to the wireless LAN board.